In today's video, I'll show you how to install a 100% save file in Horizon Forbidden West. Check my video description for the save file download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Navigate to Documents, Horizon Forbidden West, random number, and this is your game progress. Before dropping the 100% save, back up your game progress. Create a new folder and name it as backup. Drag and drop your game progress inside. Drag and drop 100% save file inside. Now you can launch the game. Select continue option. And as you can see, the save file successfully loads. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.